Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost. For today's recording, we are working on a training mode and we'll jump into qualification for a hit called Local Query Identification Japanese. The idea will be the same as what you got in the English version. I hope if you were able to watch the video for the English version, it should be, the same thought process. And watching this video again, hopefully might be able to clear some stuffs or questions, or rather answer questions that you still got. So let me go ahead and translate the page. Again, it is the training. So Pajero Mini, that's definitely a no. And for the question number two, could the location of the user affects the result they would like to see? I basically just click on yes. But for this one, the query is Pajero Mini. From the description of the query intent, the user might be looking for or want to get information about Pajero Mini used car that Mitsubishi Motors had previously produced and sold. The user has not specified the location, but may be looking for a used car locally. So question one will answer is no. Question two will be answered as yes. So agree to it. Moving on to the next. Children care. That's definitely yes. Um, it could change. Yeah. So that's a yes. Moving on. Business trip body. Okay, that's a yes. It has a location. So let's assume that it is going to be a yes answer. It's taking a while to submit, guys. While waiting for it to submit, our Facebook group is called Clickworker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. Please do join us there if you want to be a part of the weekly challenge where we motivate each one and notify each member if there is a hit available in the marketplace. Moving on to the next one is this hit Fines Plus Corporation Ltd. I would say yes to that. Okay, that's a no. Um, just read or get a screenshot of this and save it. Moving on to the next. This is again the training mode. Into one used car. That's definitely a no. And then yes here. Let's see. It just take a while to load. I do apologize. But I assume, or I would assume that we made a mistake over there. Okay, we got everything right. For this one, human body cancer surgery impact, that's a no, and it could change as well. Okay, the query is the effect of having a human body cancer surgery. From the description of the query, question is one, and then okay, agree to it. Moving on to the next is workbook to share. That's definitely a no. I would say no here as well. Yamasaki spring bread. That's definitely a yes. Oh, all right. It should be one and two. It's okay. Game is no, no as well. Okay, that should be one and two. All right, that's totally fine, guys. It's the training. You can get as much error as you can and read the error message to understand what really needs to be done on this head app. So Mitsubishi Nikos Y present application. So that's definitely a no. It could be a yes. I'll go for no here as well. Sorry. JavaScript, I'll go for that. I'll go for both no. Uh, Docomo shop, that's a yes. Okay, it's yes, it's no, and yes. Uh, Reese Disopila, that's no, no as well. Let's see. Okay, both is a yes. Again, this is the Japanese version, so it's really hard to work on it. That's why you really have to pay attention as well as do a translation. So let me work on this one. Qualify. Where is it? Was it local query intent? No. Search nav. Hold on a sec. Uh, Qualify local query. Hold on here. It's loading. Okay. Um, Okay, how much would 2.5-inch thick foam insulation increase efficiency? Um, do you think the user wants result for an explicitly specified location? I would say no, no. Capacitor, I would say no here, and it could change as well. What kind of fish do you catch in February in Oregon on the river? Yeah, this has a location. Disk heater or desk heater, that's a yes. How far from Minneapolis? That's a yes. What is the significance of the year of the ox? No, no. Offer up. Uh, that's a no as well. Using the midpoint method, the elasticity of demand for a good is computed to be approximately, that's not going to change. A location does not matter here. Used mobile homes for sale. Okay, that's a yes. I hope we pass this one. 2002 GMC used. Okay, yes, a no, and then yes. Fortunately, we passed the qualification test. Again, it's local query identification Japanese version. There is the result. I hope you're able to understand the thought process on how to work on this particular head. Again, it is local query identification. It's just that I am working on the Japanese version, but again, it should be the same for the English as well as the Indonesian version or German version or what have you. Thank you for watching this video. Again, my name is Ghost. You all have a good day. Bye for now.